From the thrill of the chase to the intricate dance of teamwork, sport has captivated humanity since time immemorial. It is a universal language, a tapestry woven from passion, skill, and the unyielding pursuit of excellence. Across continents and cultures, the roar of the crowd is a symphony of shared emotion, a testament to the power of sport to unite us in a world often divided. Today, we journey into the heart of this phenomenon, exploring the profound ways in which sport has shaped the very fabric of our societies. Sport is more than just a test of physical prowess, it is a reflection of our values, a celebration of our heritage. Consider the ancient Olympic Games, born in Greece, where athletes from rival city-states laid down their arms and competed in the spirit of honor and sportsmanship. Across the globe, traditional sports offer a window into the soul of a culture. In Japan, the ancient art of sumo wrestling embodies discipline, respect, and a deep connection to tradition. Similarly, in South Asia, the fast-paced game of kabaddi speaks to the importance of agility, strategy, and collective effort. The FIFA World Cup captivates billions, transforming nations into a sea of color and passion. From the favelas of Brazil to the streets of London, the beautiful game transcends borders, uniting people in a shared love for the sport. The true power of sport lies not just in victory, but in its ability to foster understanding, empathy, and respect across cultures. Beyond the grand spectacle of international competition, sport thrives in our communities, acting as a force for social cohesion. From rural villages to urban centers, sport provides common ground, uniting people from all walks of life. Imagine a local park, children from different backgrounds playing together. Local sports teams become a source of pride. Think of a small town rallying behind its team. Every Friday night, a celebration of community spirit. Sport also aids social integration, empowering refugees and breaking down barriers. It provides opportunities for people with disabilities. In a fragmented world, sport offers hope, reminding us of our shared humanity. The roar of the crowd, the thrill of victory, the agony of defeat. These are the sights and sounds of a multi-billion-dollar global industry. Sport is a powerful economic engine, driving job creation, infrastructure development, and tourism on a global scale. Major sporting events such as the Olympic Games or the FIFA World Cup draw in millions of visitors and inject billions of dollars into local economies. Cities bid for the honor of hosting these events, investing heavily in infrastructure that benefits residents long after the final whistle has blown. The global sports industry provides millions of jobs worldwide, offering opportunities for people from all walks of life. As we move forward, it is crucial that we strike a balance, harnessing the economic potential of sport while ensuring that it remains a force for good in the world. A sound mind in a sound body, sport, and well-being. The ancient Greeks understood that a healthy body and a healthy mind are inextricably linked. Beyond the physical benefits, sport is a potent antidote to the stresses of modern life, fostering mental well-being and building resilience. Regular physical activity is essential for our physical health, combating obesity, heart disease, and chronic conditions. The endorphin rush of a good workout, the camaraderie of a team, the satisfaction of achieving a personal best, these are all powerful mood boosters. For young people, sport provides a healthy outlet for energy and emotion, teaching discipline, focus, and the importance of setting goals. In a world saturated with digital distractions, sport offers a vital counterbalance, encouraging children to get active and develop crucial social skills. Sport stands out as a natural and accessible pathway to well-being, reminding us that sometimes the simplest solutions are often the most effective. Life lessons from the playing field. Sport and personal development. The playing field is a classroom without walls, a crucible where character is forged and life lessons are learned. Sport is about more than just winning and losing. It is about pushing boundaries, overcoming adversity, and discovering our potential. From a young age, sport instills the importance of discipline, teamwork, and leadership. Athletes learn to set goals, embrace challenges, and view failure as a stepping stone on the path to success. For many young people, sport provides a sense of purpose and direction, encouraging them to stay in school and strive for their dreams. The discipline and work ethic developed through sport can translate into academic success and future opportunities. Sport teaches us about our strengths and weaknesses, the importance of resilience, and the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity. a platform for change, sport, and political influence. Throughout history, sport has been a stage for political drama and social change. From Muhammad Ali's stand against racial injustice to Colin Kaepernick's protest against police brutality, athletes have sparked national conversations. Sport has also been a tool for diplomacy, like the 1971 ping-pong diplomacy, the 1995 Rugby World Cup in South Africa, where Nelson Mandela donned the Springboks jersey, symbolized national unity. Some argue athletes should avoid politics, while others worry about governments using sport to distract from human rights abuses. Despite complexities, sport unites people and sparks conversations that challenge the status quo. In a world divided by politics, sport offers hope, reminding us that dialogue and understanding are possible. Leveling the playing field, sport, and gender equality. For much of history, the world of sport has been dominated by men, with women's achievements undervalued. However, recent decades have seen a surge in women's participation and recognition of their talent. Trailblazing athletes like Billie Jean King and Serena Williams have challenged stereotypes and broken down barriers. Events like the FIFA Women's World Cup and the Olympics provide a global platform for female athletes to showcase their skills. Sport empowers girls and women, boosting confidence, teaching leadership skills, and promoting body positivity. Despite progress, challenges remain, such as gender pay gaps and discrimination. As more girls and women embrace sport, they are transforming the sporting landscape and society as a whole. From local fields to global arenas, sport, urban development, and globalization. In an interconnected world, sport connects people across continents and cultures, shaping urban landscapes. Mega events like the Olympics and the FIFA World Cup act as catalysts for urban development, revitalizing neglected neighborhoods and improving infrastructure. The global reach of professional sports leagues creates a global community of fans, transcending geographical boundaries. However, concerns about the loss of local sporting traditions and the environmental impact of global events persist. It is essential to harness the unifying power of sport while preserving the unique character of local sporting cultures. We must ensure that the benefits of globalization are shared equitably and that the environmental impact of sport is minimized. Sport continues to offer a powerful reminder of our shared humanity and the potential for positive change. Outro, a legacy of inspiration. From ancient arenas to modern stadiums, sport has left an indelible mark on human civilization. It is a testament to our collective spirit, our desire to push boundaries, and our innate need for connection and belonging. Sport is more than just a game, it is a powerful force for social change, a reflection of our values and a source of inspiration for generations to come. In a world often fractured by division, sport offers a powerful reminder of our shared humanity, a testament to the enduring power of hope, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence.